Hi, are you a startup or solopreneur business owner who's looking for marketing support, but you may not have a big budget for marketing? Neither should you spend a lot of money on marketing in the beginning of your business journey. Hi, my name is Helen Stepchuk, and I am the CEO at Cucumber Marketing, a local marketing agency that helps cool companies grow. We have been in business for 15 years, but this year we finally designed something very cool and something very special specifically for startups. It's marketing DIY and coaching offering where we will be sharing our agency expertise and coaching and guidance on a budget. It's a 12-week program and it's private coaching. It's not training, it's not teaching, it's specifically designed for your specific situation, where we will share and guide you and support you.